Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Meet security controls for privacy compliance, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Google Meet security controls for privacy compliance, start by signing in to your Google Admin Console. Navigate to the Apps section from the home page. Select Google Workspace to view all the tools. Click on Google Meet to access its settings. From here, select Meet Settings to view configuration options. Locate the Safety section to ensure participant safety during meetings. Enable the option for Require a Google account to join meetings. This will restrict entry to authorized users, enhancing privacy. Next, look for the Meeting Code settings. Set it to allow only users within your organization to join via a meeting code. This prevents external individuals from accessing your meetings. Proceed to the chat settings within Google Meet. Turn off the option for allowing chat messages to non-participants. This will ensure sensitive information is not shared unexpectedly. Now navigate to the recording settings. Specify who has permission to record meetings. This limitation safeguards against unauthorized recordings. Check the live streaming settings to control who can live stream events. Restrict this option to a select group if your organization handles sensitive information. After configuring these settings, save each change promptly. Next, review the noise cancellation feature settings. Enabling it will enhance audio quality and protect others from background sounds. It's important to conduct regular training sessions with staff. Educate them on the importance of privacy and compliance within Google Meet. Finally, monitor meeting logs regularly to ensure compliance. Utilize reports from your admin console to review meeting activities. By following these steps, you will effectively improve your Google Meet security controls. This will help maintain privacy and compliance within your organization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.